In the world of hospitality, furniture is not just decoration, it is the soul of the guest experience. Welcome to OC International. Since 1997, we have stood at the forefront of the hotel furniture manufacturing industry, located in the manufacturing heart of Dongguan. With a sprawling 20,000 square meter facility and a dedicated team of over 300 skilled professionals, we don't just manufacture furniture, we engineer comfort. From the initial concept design to the final installation on site, our one team, one customer philosophy ensures that your vision is translated into reality with zero compromise. We are ISO 9001 certified, trusted by global giants like Hilton, Marriott, and Wyndham. Whether it is a luxury resort in Dubai or a business hotel in New York, OC International is your steadfast partner in creating unforgettable spaces.